Stretching a canvas is an essential skill that all painters need to learn. It's the first of 2 steps in preparing a canvas substrate to paint on. The second step is gessoing the canvas. We have a video for that as well, which I've linked to in the comments. Preparing your own canvas is easy to do. It's less expensive, sturdier, and longer lasting than anything you can buy in the store. Best of all, it's customizable. For this step, all we need is a stretcher, canvas, and a staple gun. Canvas is usually sold in bulk. Here we have some 48, 72, and 96-inch rolls of bulk canvas. These are stretcher bars. They come in a variety of sizes, they're easy to assemble, and they already have a beveled edge, so we'll stretch canvas on that today. The first thing we need to do is measure our canvas. I want to make sure that I have enough on all sides that I can wrap it around the stretcher bars and staple it on the back. Canvas has a uniform warp and weft, which makes tearing by hand easy as soon as you've got a small cut. I've got my staple gun fully stocked, and I've also got a pair of canvas pliers, which can be helpful in holding our canvas tight while we staple. We want to staple by alternating parallel sides, always working from the center out. So I'll secure A and A, then B and B in the center. Then I return to the A's and work outward in both directions, adding a staple every 1 to 2 inches, alternating our way out until we're about 2 inches out from the corner. Once we get to our corners, we want to make what's known as a hospital corner, creating a triangular fold that's tucked around the back. It's hotly contested whether it's better to have a triangular portion tucked over or under, but this is completely an aesthetic concern and it has no bearing whatsoever on how our canvas will hold up, nor on how it will be viewed. No one ever loved a painting enough to buy it, but then changed their mind once they saw the corner fold. One thing that does make a difference, to me at least, is making sure you have all of your folds on parallel sides. So if you've got one fold on your A side, then you want all 4 folds to be on your A sides, and vice versa. Again, this makes very little difference, it's just personal preference. Staple your fold a few times on the back side of the frame. Once finished, we'll look for any staples that haven't gone in all the way and give them a tap with the hammer to drive them home. The canvas is now tightly bound on all sides. Any smallish wrinkles you see will be straightened out by the gesso. It's tradition to give your new surface a flick of your finger because it won't make any noise right now. After a few coats of gesso, we'll do the same thing and it will resonate like a drum.